Mapping Indonesia's halal industry ecosystem, a bibliometric and policy analysis of halal supply chains and economic development. The halal industry is one of the fastest growing global sectors, encompassing food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, cosmetic, fashion, tourism, media, and finance. With the world's largest Muslim population, Indonesia holds a unique opportunity to become a global leader in this industry. However, despite its demographic advantage, Indonesia still faces major challenges, including supply chains inefficiencies, limited infrastructure, and gap in halal certification and public awareness. Studies show that while the halal sector has significantly contributed to Indonesia's GDP and attracted foreign investment, many small and medium enterprises struggle with the cost and complexity of certification. Only a small percentage have been certified, limiting their competitiveness. Successful models from countries like Malaysia and the United Arab Emirates demonstrate how digitalization, public-private partnership, and government support can create efficient and credible halal ecosystem. Through strengthen Indonesia's position, integrated policies, human resource development, and technological innovation, such as blockchain and the Internet of Things, are crucial. These technologies can enhance transparency, traceability, and consumer trust across the health supply chains. The study, therefore, aims to examine Indonesia's halal industry ecosystem and supply chains, analysis its challenges, and offer strategic recommendations to enhance competitiveness and global leadership in the halal economy. Over the past decade, research on Indonesia's halal industry and supply chains has grown rapidly, especially after the enactment of the Halal Product Insurance Law in 2014. Data from Scopus and Web of Science show over 400 publications with major contributions from universities such as Universitas Indonesia, IPB, Erlangga, and Gadjah Mada. The main research team focused on halal certification, supply chains, logistics, digital innovation, tourism, and finance, showing a clear shift toward technology-driven and sustainability-oriented studies. Policy analysis highlight progress, particularly with the creation of BPGPH in 2019, but overlapping authority with MUI still causes delays. While Indonesia's national halal industry master plan targets value chain integration and digital competitiveness, implementation remains uneven due to coordination and infrastructure gaps. Economically, the halal industry contributes about 3 to 4% to Indonesia's GDP, but the country remains a consumer rather than a producer in the global halal chain. Strengthening logistic, digital system, and SMI participation supported by incentive and public-private partnership will be crucial for Indonesia to build an integrated, competitive halal ecosystem and position itself as a global halal hub. Conclusion: Indonesia's halal industry holds vast potential as both a moral and economic driver for sustainable national growth. Despite its large Muslim population and growing global demand, structural inefficiencies, fragmented governance, and limited technological adoption continue to hinder its full development. Bibliometric and policy analysis reveal the need for greater policy coherence, digital transformation, and institutional synergy between BPGPH and MUI. Learning from Malaysia and the UAE, Indonesia must streamline certification, enhance supply chains integration, and adopt technologies such as blockchain, IoT, and AI to strengthen transparency and competitiveness. Expanding halal industrial zones and empowering SMEs can future boost production, export, and regional inclusivity. In sum, transforming Indonesia's halal industry into a globally competitive, Innovation-driven ecosystem requires coordinated policies, technological advancement, and strong stakeholder collaboration.